Sir, this is the Louisiana Committee on Parole.
Yes,
We are impaneled in Baton Rouge. Ms. Stapleton is to my left. Mr. Prater is virtual, and my name is Ms. LeJew.
yes.
Would you please state your name and your DOC number?
Ronald Williams, 127929.
Okay. Mr. Williams, do you have a piece of paper in front of you that's called a revocation questionnaire?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you recognize your signature on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that indicates that you are not eligible for appointed counsel. Did you hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Williams, I'm going to read some information into the record. I need you to enter a plea of guilty or not guilty or guilty with a statement. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. You are accused of violating condition number 4 of your parole, stating on 10/13/2024, you are arrested by Tulane University Police Department and charged with domestic abuse battery. On 10/31/2024, the DA refused those charges. How do you plead?
I guilty, ma'am.
Okay. Also, you failed to pay your parole supervision fees and you owe $193. Your last payment was in August. Yeah, you only missed one because you were detained in October.
Yes.
And you failed to pay your parole processing fee and your $55 in arrears on that. How do you
Yes,
plead?
ma'am. I plead guilty to that.
Yes, sir. Okay. Mr. Williams, you also have Shannon Brown here. Do you know who Shannon Brown is?
Yes.
Here, I'm the caseworker. How you doing?
Good. Shannon, you're a caseworker with whom?
Oh, OJC with TDC.
Okay. I would like to go ahead and allow you to make a statement and discuss Mr. Williams at this time.
Okay. He's very respectful. So I really hope he does be released and do what needs to be done.
So what are the plans upon his release? I know that he had some difficulty with housing stability previously. I reviewed his file and he moved quite often, but it looked like he worked at Taco Bell for over a year. Is that true, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he does have the employment. We can work on housing or can do so. So he can be by himself.
He did move around. Mr. Williams, didn't you move about 4 or 5 times?
No, I haven't not.
Oh,
I live with my sister. I
okay.
was staying with my sister and I was working, paying my sister rent. And I didn't have no trouble till I met that lady. When I met that lady, oh, Lord. Hey, I'm just telling you like it is.
How
I
long did
met her, things been start going crazy, but she was real jealous of me, and I don't know. It was just something that just happened in the what you call it, and out in the blue. It was nothing physical or nothing, But she was real jealous, and I think I'm gonna leave her alone. I'm just going about my business,
you will
going
leave
with
her?
my life. Yes.
Oh, okay. So you have, I noticed you didn't have any problems. Your agent notes indicated that you did everything that you were supposed to do. You checked in. They didn't have any problems with you.
Right.
Me and
Mr. Wall, my parole officer, we got understanding. He's just what I'm going through. He understands me, and I understand what he wants me to do. So I do it, and I just try to stay out the way, Pay my parole fees and and go on to work and do what I have to do. I
Might
just
want
want to enjoy myself,
to-
and be back out there with my people, with my family. I've been gone a while. I've been locked up a long time, so I'm
Since October,
tired of jail.
yeah, 6 months, so. Mr. Prater, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am. I've read the reports and I'm familiar with the case.
Ms. Stapleton?
No question.
Mr. Williams, I think truer words could not be spoken. You just got messed up with the wrong person, huh?
That's all.
Shannon, I want to make sure that he has full support upon his release if he needs anything.
Okay, I will do so. No problem.
Mr. Williams, my vote today is to not revoke you,
Yes.
to continue on parole with the stipulation that you have no contact with the alleged victim.
Yes, ma'am.
That's board ordered that you have no
Yes, ma'am.
contact.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can just tell him, I'm sorry, but the board said I cannot talk to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And that is Ms. Singletary, let me see her name.
Janet Singleton.
Okay, so the other two need to vote, Mr. Prater
I concur.
and Ms. Stapleton.
I concur, and like she said, that's no telephone calls or anything either.
Okay. Yes,
But
ma'am.
not just in person, no, nothing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
All
thank
right.
you.
So today your parole has not been revoked. You'll be continued on supervision. It's 12/10.
Yes, ma'am.